Hey guys, welcome to Say Bonjour. This is Kate Byers. Today we're doing Module 3, Lesson 2. It's part of Grammar Overview 2. At the end of this module lesson, you will be done with grammar. You'll just be reviewing from now on, which I'm sure is a relief. So get out your workbook, available at lulu.com or as a free download on our website, and you can start filling in the blanks with me. Today we're going to be doing which, what, all, and the rule of adjective agreement. And then that is going to be it for grammar. Amazing, right? There's really not that much in French 1 grammar-wise. It's just that sometimes when it gets spread out over the course of an entire year, it gets a little confusing and you can't tell where you are. So we do it all at once, all up front, so you can get the landmarks and then review for the rest of the course. All right, so let's start out with which, what. Okay, so in French, which and what are the same word, okay? They've got one word for that, but they have 4 forms. Masculine, masculine plural, masculine singular, masculine plural, feminine singular, feminine plural, okay? The way to say which, what sounds the same every time. It's quel, and quel. Pretty easy, right? Okay, so if you want to memorize these right now, just go ahead and do it. Quel, and quel, okay? So if we want to say which apples, we'd say quelle pomme. But since pomme is feminine and plural, our which what has to match. So it would be quelle, the feminine plural form, right? If we want to say which café, we'd say quel café. But it would be a different spelling because it would be a masculine singular spelling, right? Pretty easy. All right, so let's go on to the ways to say all. Kind of like which, what in terms of there's one word for all, but there are 4 forms. They do sound a little bit different, okay? So here's how you say them. Tu, tout, tout, okay? So it's 4 forms, but they have 2 pronunciations. The top forms are tu, and the bottom forms are tu, tout. All right, so by now you're kind of getting used to matching adjective-y type words to the nouns that they modify, right? So by now you know that if we say all the apples, our all part has to match apples, okay? So les pommes, feminine plural, toutes is feminine plural. All right, so go ahead and memorize those today. Easy. All right, lastly and finally, we have the rule of adjective agreement. All right. So until now, you've kind of been getting this intrinsically. You might have been noticing that adjectives agree with their nouns. That's all the rule of adjective agreement is, which is adjectives must agree with their noun in number and gender. Number is whether it's singular or plural, and gender is whether it's masculine or feminine. So there you have it. All right, guys, so that is the end of Module 3, Lesson 2. See you on the next module.